Changing your primary email on Booking.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Login. Visit the Booking.com website or open the app and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRP to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Booking.com will be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.